Welcome to the world in today. The date is January 26, 2026, and a historic turning point is upon us. Technology is no longer just supporting the world, it is running it. From artificial intelligence and robotics to digital finance, military systems, and even space infrastructure, a new global order is forming at a speed we've never seen before. This is the complete picture of what is happening right now. Let's start with artificial intelligence. AI has officially crossed a critical line. In 2026, it's no longer limited to just generating text or assisting humans with simple tasks. It has become agentic capable of planning, acting, and completing complex, multi-step tasks all on its own. AI systems are now running entire digital businesses from end to end. They manage marketing, dynamically adjust pricing, and handle all customer service inquiries. They build new software without a single human developer writing code. They analyze global markets and execute financial trades in milliseconds. In many leading companies, humans are no longer the operators. They are the supervisors, overseeing fleets of AI agents. This fundamental shift has completely redefined productivity, efficiency, and control across every single industry. Now, let's talk about robotics. Machines are officially entering our everyday lives. Robots are no longer confined to factory floors. Humanoid and autonomous robots are now being deployed at a massive scale across our homes, offices, logistics centers, retail stores, and hospitals. China is leading this transformation, rapidly expanding its use of humanoid robots for customer service and retail tasks, alongside fully autonomous factory systems and smart logistics robots. These AI-powered manufacturing hubs are changing the face of production. Dark factories, fully automated facilities that operate without any lighting are quickly becoming the new global standard. Why? Because robots don't need light, they don't take breaks, and they don't require supervision. The result is that production is faster, cheaper, and runs constantly, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The impact of this on jobs and the global workforce is profound. Robots and AI are replacing not just manual labor, but also a growing number of white-collar jobs. Roles in accounting and bookkeeping, legal document analysis, and customer support are now being handled by sophisticated AI voice agents. Even creative fields like graphic design and video editing, along with technical jobs like software testing and data entry, are being automated. At the same time, this disruption is creating entirely new roles. We're seeing a huge demand for AI trainers, automation specialists, prompt engineers who can communicate effectively with AI, and AI auditors and ethics officers who ensure these systems operate fairly and safely. In 2026, AI literacy is no longer an optional skill. A university degree alone no longer guarantees employment. Your ability to adapt is what will determine your survival in this new job market. This brings us to the new economy. The digital economy is expanding faster than any economic model in human history. Businesses driven by AI can now launch in a matter of hours, not months. They can operate globally with a minimal human staff and scale up instantly through automation. We are now seeing entire online companies being run almost entirely by AI systems. The cost of entry into global business has collapsed, but as a result, the competition has absolutely exploded. In this new world, data, not labor, is the most valuable currency. In the world of finance, the markets are undergoing a silent automation. AI systems now completely dominate Forex trading, cryptocurrency market analysis, high-frequency trading, and complex risk management. Bitcoin and other digital assets continue to attract massive institutional capital, while AI algorithms execute trades faster than any human could possibly react. Simultaneously, governments around the world are pushing forward with their own financial innovations. We're seeing the rollout of central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, the rapid expansion of cashless economies, and the implementation of AI-monitored financial systems. Money itself is becoming pure data, tracked, managed, and optimized by algorithms. Perhaps the most controversial and significant shift is happening in our defense systems. Modern militaries are deploying autonomous drones and intelligent drone swarms. They're using AI-controlled surveillance systems that can monitor vast areas without human oversight, and they're introducing robotic ground vehicles into their forces. Most critically, combat algorithms are now making decisions. In some of these advanced systems, humans no longer press the trigger. The AI analyzes threats and acts in real time, based on its programming and objectives. This raises a critical global question that we are all grappling with. Where does human control end, and where does machine authority begin? This theme of autonomous decision-making extends to transportation. Our vehicles are now becoming decision makers. Self-driving cars are navigating city streets, autonomous cargo ships are crossing oceans, and AI-controlled drones are delivering goods. Even military vehicles are using these systems. They calculate risk, prioritize outcomes, and adapt to real-world conditions without any direct human input. Our legal and ethical frameworks are struggling to keep up with the pace of this change, leaving questions of responsibility unanswered. Beyond Earth, space is no longer a symbolic frontier, it is a strategic one. Both private companies and national programs are deploying vast satellite internet constellations, creating autonomous space logistics for supply missions, and building AI-controlled infrastructure systems in orbit. Robots are increasingly used to prepare environments on the Moon and Mars before humans even arrive, fundamentally changing how we plan for exploration and expansion. The future economy now officially extends beyond our planet. Even the internet itself is changing. The internet we grew up with, filled with traditional websites, is in decline. People no longer search for information. They ask an AI. The content we consume is increasingly generated by AI, optimized for AI consumption, and processed faster than any human can follow. The human-built internet is slowly fading, and in its place, an AI-driven information ecosystem is rising. All of this is creating a new global divide. It's no longer about who has oil or other natural resources. The new divide is between the countries that build and control AI and advanced technology, and the countries that only consume it. This technological gap will define global power, wealth, and influence for the foreseeable future. So let's summarize the reality of 2026. AI is no longer a helper, a tool, or an assistant. It is a decision maker. Robots are no longer experiments. They are a part of our daily lives. Digital money is no longer optional. It is becoming the standard. Automation is no longer coming. It is already here. This is the world of 2026, automated, intelligent, fast, and unforgiving to those who don't adapt. Understanding technology is no longer just about curiosity. It's about survival, it's about opportunity, and it's about power. If you want to keep up with the news, save time, and truly understand where the world is heading, subscribe to the AminTechAI channel. Turn on notifications so you don't miss our daily updates. Thank you for watching, and once again, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to AminTechAI.